was that exciting or what? The Diva will do anything for her subscribers. That's right, today is Shoutout Sunday. Now, I've been doing Shoutout Sunday now. This is my 4th week, and you all seem to enjoy it, so I'm going to continue on. I try to shout out many small channels. When I say small, I say maybe 100 to a few thousand maybe. You know, the bigger channels, everybody needs a little help from their friends, but they're already established and they don't need any help from the Diva. So, since you're all enjoying this, I'm going to continue on. I mean, I just think it's a really nice thing to do. Like I say over and over, kindness doesn't cost anything, and we can all use a little help from our friends. There are so many YouTube channels out there that if we don't give some of them a little attention, they'll get lost in YouTube land, and we'll never find them. So anyway, should we get started? I think so. So today, I have a great channel I'm shouting out. Oops, wait a minute. Let me get my megaphone. So let me tell you the channel I'm shouting out today. Today's channel is Mature Woman Daily Dose. And who is the star and content creator of this channel? Well, it's Kay Carter. This channel, well, it's Kay Carter. All right, enough of that. Okay, and Kay, let me just say, Kay is a beautiful woman, both inside and out. And I really mean that. She is so pretty, Kay, and she has such a beautiful, beautiful heart. And you know what? Kay has a twin sister. Oh my God, can you imagine? 2 of them walking around? Oh boy. So anyway, Kay, the one thing you're going to find out about Kay is you will never see Kay without a smile on her face. And I truly mean that. She has a beautiful smile, and she's always smiling. And her channel is a little bit about everything, with daily doses of encouragement. And her daily doses of encouragement remind me a little bit of, you know, the little square desk calendars where you pull off a page every day, and it might be learning how to spell a word, or the definition of a word, there goes my clock, or a trivia question, or an inspirational quote. Well, that kind of reminds me a little bit of Kay's daily dose. Kay's feeling is we should always be kind to one another. And you can be in a really crummy mood, but when you put on that video of Kay's daily dose and you see her big smile on there, really tends to make you think twice and puts you in a good mood. Honestly, her videos are not long. Usually they're somewhere between maybe around 1.5 to 5 minutes. So They're not really going to take long for you to watch at all. She also puts other videos on, not just her daily inspirational doses. She is a member of the Mature Beauty community. And like I said earlier, she does a little bit of everything. She'll put on recipes, and she'll put on maybe some trips she's gone on, maybe some hauls. I know she likes to shop at Trader Joe's, as do I. And she'll also put some beauty things on there. She does product reviews. She'll do get-readies with me. She loves to decorate her house for the holiday. Now she's doing fall decorating in her home, and she's promised to show us the house when she's done. So I'm anxious to see that. And she just does so many things on there. I call her the many faces of Kay. That's right, the many faces of Kay. And in the beginning of this video, I talked about Kay and so many of the beautiful things she does. And I always look at her channel and I think to myself, she's so pretty and she has such nice things to say. She's so positive and she has such a great personality. I'd say it's the many faces of Kay. But she does a little bit of everything and it's all very interesting. She's been on YouTube for quite a few years now. I think she might have originally started her channel in 2011. But I started seeing her videos maybe about 4 years ago. So she's got obviously a lot of them on there if she does a daily dose. Now, I know there was one time her and her husband Ron were driving in the car and did a tag. And the tag was, I think it asked questions like, what were some of the happiest maybe times in your life? And of course Ron said that when he met her and he married her. I do believe that because they are a great couple. And a lot of times you will see them on there together. Ron has also sang gospel music, and he has written a few songs, and he has sang the songs, and Kay has sang some of them with him. In fact, one of the songs that Ron wrote was called Daniel. And you can go, I think it's on iTunes, and you can find it. And they did do a video about it, and Ron will be singing that song, Daniel, on the video. And he's quite talented. Also, Kay is the most positive person I think I've ever come across on YouTube. And that says a lot. They both have very strong beliefs and faith. That just makes her videos all the more beautiful. She'll usually start off her video with a big smile. Hi guys! She feels life is short, so we should always make the best of it. And I agree with her there. Now, at the end of her video, she usually puts something on there. Oh, I know. She puts on there, always be kind to one another. Be kinder than they are. That's what she always says at the end of her videos. And then she ends it with, don't forget to smile, because if you do, you might just get one back. So I love Kay's channel. So I say, go over there and show Kay a little bit of love. You won't be sorry. As soon as you see her smiling face, trust me, you'll hit that subscribe button. So I'm going to put the link to Kay's channel down below. Head on over, tell her the Baking Diva sent you, and show her a little love, because we all need a little help from our friends. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this shout out. Stay tuned next Sunday, because you never know, it could be you. And if you haven't already subscribed to the Divas channel, most of you know me. I do baking and I throw in a little bit more for extra measure just to keep my channel interesting. I've been known to put holidays on there and vacations. So I want to thank you all for watching. Tell Kay I said hello. Head on over there And I'll see you next Sunday for Shout Out Sunday. Toodles! Let me get my megaphone.